In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio in Clipchamp. If you've ever found yourself wanting to edit a video and need to remove the audio, perhaps to add some background music or a voiceover, Clipchamp offers a straightforward way to achieve this. Let's dive in and learn how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, open up your preferred internet browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you already have a Clipchamp account, you can log in directly. If not, you'll need to sign up, which is pretty simple. For those who are already set up, just click on the sign in button. Here you're prompted with multiple ways to sign in. Choose to continue with Microsoft if you prefer. This option is convenient if you're already integrated with Microsoft's suite of tools. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home screen. Here you'll find the Create a New Video button. Click on that button to start the editing process, which will take you into the editor interface. Once inside, you need to import the media file you wish to edit. To do this, simply click on the Import Media option. Now gather your video file, just drag and drop it into the Clipchamp interface. This ensures your video is ready for editing. When your video file is successfully uploaded, the next step is to click on the video track that appears in your timeline. This action enables you to make any changes or adjustments as needed. What you need to do next is right-click with your mouse on the video track. A context menu will pop up, and from this menu locate the audio section. You're going to select the option that says detach. Alternatively, you can achieve the same outcome by utilizing the right hand side audio bar present in the interface. Simply go to the right bar, find the audio section, and click on it. You will have an option to select detach audio. Choosing either of these methods will remove the audio from the video track and create a separate audio track. At this point, if your goal is to eliminate the audio completely, you can simply delete this audio track or lower its volume. To reduce the volume, navigate to the audio control panel and lower the volume level to 0%. This effectively mutes the original audio, allowing you to add new audio layers if desired. With that, you have successfully removed the audio from your Clipchamp video. Editing and enhancing your videos is as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your video editing endeavors.